welcome back to my channel. This is your Barbie Chatterjee with you guys, and today I'm going to share my nighttime skincare routine. So I just now did this makeup look and I am about to wash it. Yes, hours of makeup, like hours of hard work into vain, but yeah, we need to cleanse our face and sleep a good night. So yeah, let's get started, but without further ado, but before that, you need to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment down below what more different types of the videos you want me to do. So a lot of you DM'd me on Instagram saying that you would like to see my nighttime skincare routine. So yeah, here I am with my nighttime skincare routine. I always don't follow this routine. Like sometimes I feel like so lazy. I just go and lie down on my bed and I don't do anything. So these are just few days when I do my nighttime skincare routine. I'm not a very regular at skincare, but I do love doing skincare and I want to be regular, but I'm unable to because my lazy ass doesn't allow me to do so. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll first actually remove my lashes. I have got these lashes. I actually purchased these lashes from Kalilis, and this makeup look was for the Karwa Chauth makeup look. So the tutorial might have already been up on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna remove my makeup. So for that, I'll be using the Plum cleansing balm. So this is how the tub looks like, and I guess already a review of this particular balm might have been up on my channel, or I don't remember. I think I have done it, but yeah, a little bit of it. You can see how much I've used it. I also love using the Swiss Beauty cleansing oil. I have that, so I kind of actually alternatively use it. So I'm just gonna take this much and mild kind of fragrance, take it in between my palms, and I'm just gonna emulsify it and apply that on my face. I'm first gonna target my eyes and like remove the makeup from my eyes because that's a more important area to remove your makeup from. So I'm just gonna emulsify and I'm gonna wash my face and be right back. Face is now dripping wet. I'm going to use the M Caffeine Coffee face wash. So face wash, and I kind of keep alternating, so there is no like specific face wash that I use, but yeah, I like to use this one and the Pond's clay face wash a little bit more than my other face wash. I also like the using the Nivea face wash. So yeah, just massage it for 1 minute on my face. I also sometimes use the Miniso, like the cleansing thing you get, like I guess it's called the silicone cleanser or something like that. I also use that sometimes when I feel like. So I'm just gonna massage this for 1 minute and wash off my face and be right back. Use the Miniso towel to just like pat dry my face. I always use this towel because this is gonna pick any residual makeup on my face, as well as it's like really soft for your face, and I really like these like microfiber towels. So I'm just gonna pat dry my face. I only use these for my face, so yeah, it's really hygienic. Be using the Pack Deep Exfoliating. This is actually a peel off deep exfoliating. It acts like a scrubber, so I'm just gonna take a pea size amount on my hand. You just need to, I just took this much, 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna take this. I love using these kind of scrubbers rather than physical exfoliators. Like I have almost stopped using physical exfoliators because I just don't like using it. So you just have to massage it for 30 seconds and you don't have to do anything more. So I really love using these kind of exfoliators, and I like the pack one too. So yeah, I'll just massage this for 30 seconds and then wash off my face. You can see how this is like crumbling up on my skin. Don't think that all of this is your dead skin. No, it isn't. It's the cellulose which is crumbling up with a little bit of dead skin. Next is a toner, and for today I'll be using the Good Vibes Pomegranate toner. So this is how the packaging looks like, and I love using this. I actually have quite a lot of toners because I love applying toners on my face. So sometimes I like use the glycolic acid toner by The Ordinary. It's like around 3 to 4 times a month, not more than that. So alternative days I have different kind of toners. I have two toners which contain witch hazel and a toner which contains green tea because I have like acne prone skin, so I have toners according to that. This pomegranate is not great for like acne or something, but I just love using this toner in general. So I'm just gonna spread this all over my face. This just makes me feel so refreshed. I just pat it into my skin like slightly and it just dries up. feels so smooth and so like hydrated after all this. And I still have a lot of skincare. So the next thing I'm going to use is the Sen Botanica under eye cream. I'm actually trying out the Sen Botanica products right now, and the review video will be up soon. So yeah, I'll be using this under eye cream my under eyes. I really love the packaging of this product. Just look at the pump. It has this very beautiful tiny nozzle which I absolutely love, and I'm just gonna take it on my ring finger and apply that on my under eyes. So, and it has a very beautiful like pomegranate fragrance to it. I don't mind having like a little bit of fragrance into my skincare. So yeah, I'm just gently massaging it on my under eyes and on my eyelids too. Next step I'll be doing is use the Sen Botanica's vitamin C serum. So this is the vitamin C 20% and vitamin E and hyaluronic acid 24K gold serum. So I don't know what it actually does to your skin. It says that it's a night face serum, but I do use it sometimes during the daytime also. So I'm actually gonna take it on my hand. I'm just gonna take like 2 drops. It has like a lot of gold in there, a lot the golden particles, like there are so many, and it's a very beautiful orangey color, and it does smell of like oranges and lemons, like how usually your vitamin C smells like. I'm just gonna pat it into my skin like so. I'll be using the Scent Botanica's Auto Bulgarian Rose Auto Glow Night Cream. So this is basically a general night cream. It's not anti-aging, so it's fit for me. So I'm going to use this. So this has again a lid cover. As I said, I'm testing out the Scent Botanica product. It's a very beautiful pink color kind of cream from inside. So it's, I think, good for winters. I don't really know. I have to use it like a little bit more to give you guys like a proper verdict. I don't apply a lot of more, like have oily skin. Yeah, I've just taken a decent quantity for my face, and I'm just gonna like massage it into my skin actually pretty much drank everything. So next but last but not the least step is a very beautiful lip balm. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Lips lip balm. I actually have very dry and chapped lips. So in order to keep my face hydrated, I do need to use a lip balm. Like my lips hydrated, I do need to use a lip balm. So yeah, here is my nighttime skincare routine, and here is how my skin looks like right now after the nighttime skincare routine. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Bye bye, take care, and I'm gonna sleep. Bye.